Hello, I am Madhu. I am a Twin Flame Ascension coach with Twin Flame Universe. I am a student of Twin Flame Ascension class and Life Purpose class by Jeffin Shelia. And today I want to share the upgrade that I have received from God in my life. If you can see the background, it has changed. If you have been following me in my previous videos, you can see that things have changed. Okay, it's real, it is really happening in my life, and I thought I will share this with you. And I wish you receive this from God in a very easy way, by just going through the classes, going through the teaching, just by connecting with God all the way, starting from 2017, when I started my twin flame journey. Every step where I just choose to heal, the teaching from Jeff and Shilia always supported me to just expand only. And there was a point in my life in 2020 February, where I deeply feel a call that I just need to drop everything and just commit to my life purpose. Because coming from my childhood, there was always a deep desire that, as if I'm here just to love everyone, there is something in my heart that I want to pursue, that I want to live, that is like as if it's my dream, that I want to just bring it to the reality. It was always there. But even if the feeling was always there to love, the childhood has always been traumatic and abusive. And I also dropped the idea that if anything is really going to happen in my life or not. And I was in a corporate job, doing like 10 to 11 hours of job, and 12 years I have succeeded a lot. But the experience was like as if there is a lot of energy is being drained from me. And then there was always a call, as if I don't belong here, there is something God wants me to do. And I just followed that call, that inner guidance. I just followed that and just kept making choices by going through the teaching, obviously, because those teachings were my foundation on which I built up this. Absolutely. Because in 2020 I literally dropped everything, my job. I also took my divorce in 2020. I left everything behind and just stepped into my life, my independent life completely. Those are the days I was completely healing my codependency. So far I had created a lot, but nothing of them felt so good the way I'm feeling today, or feeling now during this phase of my life. Because so far I have created something by depending on some other person, depending on my soulmate and or my father, like as if they were my source of money. But that's not true. My source of money has always been God, and that's the truth. For you also, your source of money is God, not anyone else. So there is no need to hold on to the codependency and limiting your desire. It's absolutely okay to desire everything. God is going to fulfill everything that you desire. And the best part of it is, having your twin flame harmonious union. That's your ultimate desire, right? So life purpose and twin flame harmonious union, those goes hand in hand. Okay, the more you go deeper into your inner journey, you will also discover what you are meant to serve in to the God's children. Like everyone around us are God's children. We are some way or other are having some kind of gift, that deep within our heart we want to just offer that gift to God's children. And when I was in my job, I was moonlighting with my life purpose. If you go through the life purpose class, you will see in detail. When I was doing my job, I was also investing some time and energy to build up on my life purpose, so that I can support myself completely. I can divorce my karmic relationship and come out of it completely, to pursue my twin flame with full heart, by giving everything. So that was what was my call. And God always supported me. God absolutely always supported me. There was a resentment when I really divorced, and I left the house. I had a very big house. I always resented on that. Then I got the clarity. Even if I had a big house, it was just that only one room. It was just my bedroom, where I only felt that only belonged to me, right? Everyone, the moment I was coming out of that room, it always felt like like as if I'm in a place where I don't belong. Nobody there was connecting with me. And yes, I just keep choosing with God whatever I felt in my heart, just by going deeper into my life purpose and just following my heart. The simple step that I took is I started with life purpose classes, and then slowly started implementing into my real life. I was supported with my coach to heal any block that was coming on my life purpose journey. So doing that, I was, the moment I was going deeper into my life purpose, I was very naturally attracting my abundance, and that made me, keep choosing. Yeah, I started feeling grounded, that choosing my life purpose is something, it feels like as if there is no separation between me and my life purpose. I don't feel like, it is heavy or something that I was feeling in my corporate job, because the corporate job was very draining. But when I'm doing my life purpose, I feel so fulfilled. Even if any little success that I received initially in my life purpose felt like lifetime achievement. Every time it was happening like that. And then just it happened so quickly in this month. I just healed my poverty block, where like I have absolutely healed my poverty block, and then I was able to attract my abundance, and I was absolutely supported there completely. And then all of a sudden I just felt I need a big house for me, where I can have like a complete room dedicated to my life purpose, where I can absolutely be with God and just enjoy my life purpose. And I received it in, it just happened in 7 days. Even I found the house, even I moved into it. It just happened very quickly and very supported. And yes, it feels so good, because the complete house feels it belonged to me, not a single room, everything. And here it is like everything that is around me is just an extension of me, and everything feels like I'm connected, and that feels so grounded, that feels so grounded. And I really feel gratitude for Twin Flame Universe, and I highly recommend you go through the life purpose class and discover your divine life purpose. Because when you are on path of your ascension, your divine life purpose is going to ground you and your twin flame in a eternal, in a eternal bond with God's children around, to whom you are here to serve. So just keep choosing your life purpose, and abundance is all yours. You just have to matter, just a matter of choosing to break the vow of poverty, and just claim your abundance. That's all you have to do. And see, it's real, it's real, it's happening, it's working for me. And I'm really looking forward, if God has given me this in 6 months, this just happened in 6 months, I just cannot imagine what God has for me going forward. Because I have a big life, I could feel, I have a very big life that is coming towards me. I can feel that energy. that all that I have to do is just choose to receive and ground it and keep making my foundation strong. And my always the foundation is always God. Always the foundation is always God for you and your twin flame. And yes, if just choose to work with me, and you can go through the website that I have provided in the description. I would love to help you in your life purpose or on your twin flame harmonious union journey. Thank you. I'm so happy. Thank you.